This is Brian with King Grizzly, and I just had to show people this website I came across. I was looking through Dribble for some design inspiration, and I stumbled across this design, which is really sharp, but the copywriting is just kind of remarkable. So I don't know who this person is, but I wanted to show people this mini teardown as an example of a really great personal site. So we'll notice that the first thing is it's about the customer. So your SaaS website's stopping you from doubling your MRR. So the monthly revenue is a pain point for some SaaS companies. So it's a niche, but it's all about the customer's perspective, not the like, hey, I'm a great developer or I'm an innovative thinker or whatever. No, it's about the customer's need. I can help you change that. So this is a great way to start. And it also reflects things like you learn from StoryBrand, getting in the customer's shoes. So as we scroll down, there's some social credibility. These are groups that this person's worked with, but we get right into the pain point. Does your website suck at acquiring customers? Are you constantly cooking up new acquisition strategies but failing? But this is hard. Customers don't convert. A website that doesn't understand your customers is killing your business. So we really get into the pain. 80% of visitors will abandon the website. 2x to 5x customers, you're missing out on. I can help you. So then there's also some nice motion to draw people's eye, but the sort of soothing blue color, I can help you grow your MRR by showing visitors the real value in your product. Now, MRR is probably a buzzword for some. It may feel unfamiliar, but in the SaaS world, that's going to be common. So we get right down to this. You're trying a lot of things, and then in red, they're painful red, but aren't getting the results you want. You're rebranding your product again. You're hiring a designer. You're A/B testing. You're doing the things you think you should be doing, right? But it's not working because what you really need is a high-performing sales machine. And this is exactly what I create. So it's like, oh, wow, yeah, I want a sales machine. I build websites that convert visitors using 2 research-driven methods. So then they're explained here, and you can book a call. It's like, well, I don't know this person. I don't know if I want to book a call. Well, here's the truth. No one on your team's going to change this because you would have done it by now, right? Oh, okay, so here's how I can help you. And then we get into like, here's specifically how I would help you. And so, oh, by the way, there's some scarcity here. All good things come with a catch. I only work with 2 companies a month. Oh, wow, I want to book this call. But I'm not, if you're still not sure you want to call this person, it's like, need time to think it over. I'll tell you my exact process for free. Join my email. So it's like, oh, okay, I do want to know the process, so I can opt in. So then I'm in the email list. I just think this is really brilliant. And if I click around here, learn my process, it's like, here's the process. So you can get right into this email feed and presumably learn the process. But what we'll learn is that this person is way better at this than me. And even if he or she tells me exactly what to do, I'm not going to execute it well because there's obviously a knack to this. And then there's a blog element, resources to help you convert more customers. Just really nice. Only thing that's missing is potentially like an about page. Anyway, I'll share the link, but I had to run through this really quick because I just thought it was such an excellent example of a personal website that's customer-centric and is going to hopefully work quite well for the business owner as opposed to more of a resume site.